Okay, so what's up, guys? It's Zach here, and we just put this on here for 5 minutes, and one pizza roll, just one pizza roll, not even 5 minutes. Wonder if the plate's hot. Oh, just a little bit. One of them things, muffin things. What drawer are they in? There you go. All right, let's take a look at this. Okay. Wow. Let me get a fork. Wow. We're gonna keep it there for 5 minutes, but obviously that's not gonna work. Dude, it's solid. Did that burn the plate? Oh no, it's just... Dude, holy crap. It's pure black inside. Dang, man. It's charred. It's a charred pizza roll. Oh my god. I'm gonna do another one. So, stay tuned for part 2. Be uploaded within the next 5 minutes.